In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a board in mondaycom. Let's begin this process smoothly by first heading over to mondaycom, which is our initial step. On reaching the website, look for the login option located at the top right corner and give it a click. Now you have the choice between signing in with Google or typing in the email address associated with your mondaycom account. If you decide to use the Google sign-in option, ensure you select the correct email address you'll be working with during this process. Upon successfully logging in, it's important to note that mondaycom does not directly offer a printing option for boards. Instead, you'll need to export the board either to Excel or PDF format, and then proceed to print the exported file. Let's select the board you wish to print by clicking on it to open. Once inside, navigate to the top right corner where you'll spot 3 dots symbolizing more actions. Click on these 3 dots to expose additional options and select more actions from the drop down menu. From there, you'll want to click on Export Board. Here you have an option to export the board to Excel. Once that option is chosen, you'll be presented with several boxes for different export options. For ease of access, try ticking the box that allows a copy of the export to be emailed to you, then click on Export to finalize this part of the process. The exported file will be sent to your email or downloaded directly to your device, so head over to your preferred email platform if you opted to receive it there. Once you locate the file, open it with either Excel or Google Sheets. In this demonstration, let's use Google Sheets. Open Google Sheets, navigate to File, then select Open to begin. At this point, you can click on Upload and simply drag the file you exported from mondaycom into the Google Sheets interface. Once the file is open and visible in Google Sheets, you're only a few clicks away from printing. To print your document, press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to bring up the print settings. This will allow you to adjust any necessary print details before finally hitting that print button to produce a hard copy of your mondaycom board. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to print a board from mondaycom. Thank you for watching, and feel free to tackle your upcoming projects with this handy method.